The global energy demand is continuously rising year for year. Therefore, it is our aim to offer solutions for tomorrow that make heating and cooling systems efficient and comfortable. Especially the use of renewable energy sources is an essential key to make the energy transition a success. As a premium manufacturer with a long tradition, we stand for the development of future-orientated products and solutions for heating, cooling and air conditioning applications. The focus here is particularly on drinking water, buffer and solar storage tanks, which are taking on an important role due to the increasing demand for renewable energy sources by storing excess energy as heat. To meet the growing demand in the future, we are investing today in expanding capacities in Slovakia.
At the Winkelmann Group, we take the energy transition and the heating transition very seriously. If you take this very seriously, then you need intelligent storage solutions. That's why we are investing in this plant.
With the new plant in Rimavská Sobota, Reflex has created a production plant with the highest vertical range of manufacture in Europe for the production of hot water and potable water storage tanks on 49,000 square meters of production and logistics space. This high level of vertical integration combined with appropriately and flexibly automated production processes and state-of-the-art production control and logistics makes it possible to respond flexibly to customer requirements.
The Reflex brand has always stood for realizing individual customer requirements. In our new plant for hot water storage tanks, this means transferring customer requirements into modular, efficient manufacturing processes. Today's customers not only want product innovation and quality, but also speed and reliability.
We are meeting this challenge with our new location. Let's shape the energy transition together.